Welcome traders, yeah, the traders here again. So for all you new listeners, I do these videos first thing in the morning, before the market opens, so at least you get an idea of what I think may be happening for the day with regards to the stock. So just jumping in right now, guys. So if we take a look and see what's going on with Mullen, if you look at my charts, it's not looking too good, guys. I'm giving it to you straight. The good, the bad, and the ugly. See, if you look at the chart, we're down at the 15-cent level, guys. So let's zoom in and see, did it hold the support that was set yesterday, or hold the level that was set yesterday? Let me not say support, because support is where it holds and it push off the support. So the stock came down yesterday, the day before, I should say, all the way down to 1508, 1509 thereabout. Yesterday it pre-market it pushed back up a little bit, went all the way up to 1720 and came back down by the end of the day. So the low at the end of the day was down to 1529. So after market, it tried a little bit of rally, but as you can see, guys, pre-market, it's down to a new all-time low at 15 flat. So it has touched the 15 flat, pushed back up a bit, as you can see. It's at 1505. So it seems like we are not done as yet, guys. Not done as yet with regards to how low this stock can go. So with all that said, I was looking back at a couple of stocks, and we were like, if we look back at like even Tesla, and we zoom all the way out, we would say back in 2 years ago, this is 2023, 22, 21, 2020, we would say when we were back in 2021, 2020 thereabout, we would have said, okay, if I knew Tesla would have run up all the way up to 400 at the time, well, there's always the stock splits and all that stuff, where the price would have been a lot higher if there was no split. But if we look at the stocks, guys, at this point, when it ran up all the way to the top, we're saying, I only wish that these stocks will come down so I can buy. So guess what, guys? We're there again. We are at the buy zone again, guys. Our wishes have come true. So I would say at this level, if you believe in the stock, we should not complain, but actually make a plan to say, okay, are you going to be staying in, and watch what will be happening, or are you going to be looking to buy at a lower level in order to average down? This is not financial advice. I'm just saying there are just two thoughts. When the stock is high, we are wishing that the stock will come down, or the stock has come down, we are wishing that the stock will go up. All right. So let's take a look and see what's going on with Yahoo Finance. So on Yahoo Finance, as you can see, it was a bad day for Mullen. Went down 5%. Pre-market, it's down another 3%. Yep, and there was a sell-off yesterday. So we are down again to our lows. I think our lowest we have been since recently was 334 million. Now we're down to 331 million in terms of market cap. The volume that came in was below average, 174 million compared to average of 208. But surprisingly, the market itself either was flat or rallied slightly. So the TXS was up 0.5%, S&P up almost 2%. Dow was up 1%. So the overall market wasn't doing too bad yesterday, but if you take a look here, guys, in terms of what's going on with the comps to Mullen, Lucid fell almost 4%. Rivian almost 4%. Neo, it's trying, but it's still not there yet. Still at the almost not, I wouldn't say all-time low, but it has come down quite a bit, so it's at that level where below this level there's no real support, so it's down almost 1.5%. So compared to the comps, guys, it's basically in line with what the comps are doing. Okay, so let's take a look and see what's going on with the options. So the option, in terms of call options, it's at a lower level compared to where it was usually. Puts basically non-existent, and this is what came in yesterday. In terms of open interest for this week, 34,000 for Friday, next Friday 14,000, and the following also 14,000. So again, guys, we just gotta keep our eyes peeled, see what's going on with the stock. Will it go lower? We don't know. As I said, this is uncharted territory. I usually use levels in terms of support and resistance levels, and we have broken below the all-time low. So how low can it go? We have to wait and see. But as usual, just be cautious whenever you trade stocks, especially penny stocks. News can come in and it runs up to, for example, 50 cents in a day or two, or it may even drop further depending. And news has come in, but apparently it's not yet absorbed by the market. So just remember, guys, back then when we were at the all-time low, remember we went through this. I went through this with you guys last year. All-time low at this stage, guys, and we held the support here, and it popped up after. Came back down, popped up after. So we're just hoping for some catalyst, guys, to just get the stock moving. Alright, so that's all I have for you for today. So as usual, if you like this type of content, don't forget to hit the like, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to get early notification in regards to my videos that I post early in the mornings. Take care, guys.